Yes, hello. Today, look, we're going to be discussing Dragon Ball Legends crashing and what to do, tips and solutions. So I'm going to go straight to what you guys need to know. But just before we do that, just real quick, try one of these beforehand. So install the latest iOS or Android version, check Dragon Ball Legends for updates and update if necessary, restart smartphone or tablet completely, uninstall and reinstall Dragon Ball Legends. You want to make sure that your issue, if it is an issue, isn't one of these, okay? If you tried all of these and nothing has worked, then let's move on. Now, by the way, if you are an iOS user, I'm super sorry, but I don't know if this applies to you. I only know that this definitely applies to Android users. So in case that's the case, I'm sorry. So sorry. I'll try to figure out a solution for iOS. Now, with that being said, let's actually discuss what you can do. One last thing before we actually discuss what you can do. Just be aware that you have the ability to factory reset your phone. Just make sure to link all your data for all your apps before you do that. That's all I have to say. So link them, make sure you can retrieve the account. All right, so let's discuss it. So Incognito, this person from 20 days ago, literally gave the best answer. So shout out to Incognito for basically solving my partner's issue with Dragon Ball Legends. Because today we found out that she couldn't log into her phone, as into the app, because it would constantly crash at the app. And we tried multiple times. We tried restarting the phone. We tried everything. So let's read what he says. So for everyone who still has problems with Samsung update to Android 12 or update related to it, uninstall application called Android System Web View. If you have it installed and download from the store, Android System Web View Dev. Now, be aware that right now, if you are on Android 12 or any Android, you're probably running Android System Web View. That's just inherent. So what you're going to want to do is, like they said, uninstall it and then go to the Play Store and install Android System Web View Dev. Then after you're going to do that, after installing it, press the three dots in the right up corner, top right corner, select Change Web View Provider and change it to the Dev version. So basically what they're saying is change it to Android System Web View Dev. After doing it, reset your phone. And then they basically just end it off with, so when they say reset the phone, just restart it. And then when they say, after that, they just say it wasn't a problem with the game. It was a problem with Android 12. Hope that helps. So there you go. There you have it. So it turns out the System Web View is actually the cause of the problem. So as long as you can change the system to the dev version, you should be fine. And in which case, you should not have an issue playing PvP, Raid, Co-op, or anything else, and shouldn't have any more crashes, shouldn't have any more game freezes. It will be really good. You'll actually be able to solve your issues, and that'll be amazing. So there you go. That is pretty much how you solve it. I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. Just remember, if you have the ability to factory reset, if this doesn't even work, try doing factory reset and this. That should solve the problem completely. Hopefully Android, or Samsung better to say, steps up in gear and actually solves these issues, because right now they've really messed up, well, a lot of players. So that sucks. And for those that are saying that they have issues on the iOS side, I'll try to figure out if I can find something for you guys. If not, I'm sorry. It's just seems to be a lot more prevalent on the Android side. That's all. So with that being said, guys, that's the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't hesitate to tickle the like button if you haven't already subscribed, and click at the bell for notificaciones so you never miss another one of my videos. Have yourselves a salty day, because we're Dragon Ball Legends players. We can't read. And I'll see you in the next video.
Toshi, give me CC.